My name is John Elias. I'm the Park Project Manager with the City of Coppell, and we're here today to update the community on the developments that are taking place at Annie Brown West Park. We're going to take a walk through of the park and show you what's taken place in the last couple of weeks. We started the process of installing the soccer game fields. All the irrigation is installed, and the contractor is in the process of bringing in the compost, which we will begin prepping for the game fields. We will be prepping the soccer fields down to a depth of 6 inches. This will allow for safer fields and better playability. We anticipate sodding these game fields about the first week in September. I think it's important to let the community know that once the sod is in place, it is the city's plan to grow in the soccer fields for 1 full year. So we don't anticipate opening these soccer fields until the fall of 2017. Some additional progress that's being made in this part of the park is they've started the process of installing the hike and bike trail. There will be a 10-foot concrete hike and bike trail that runs completely around the perimeter of the park. One of the questions that we get a lot from the community is, will the soft trail be brought back to the park? And the answer to that question is yes. Along the inside of the concrete hike and bike trail, we will be reinstalling a 6-foot soft trail made out of decomposed granite. One of the features in the park I want to talk about today is the play area, which will be on the west side of the park. The play area will consist of 2 sand volleyball courts. It will have 2 playgrounds, one for larger kids, one for the smaller tots, and it will also have basketball courts. The basketball courts will have 2 full court basketball courts and 2 half courts for the community to use. There will be a restroom and concession area adjacent to the play area. It will be the soccer concession area. For the first time in this park, we will have a restroom and concession area available to the soccer community on the north side of the park. As we move over to the softball fourplex, you can see that the brick masonry work is completed on the walls behind the softball fields. The brick masonry work continues on the buildings and structures within the fourplex. We look for that to be completed here within the next week. We have also started the process of building the softball fields. They've excavated the infields, and over the next week they will be bringing in the infield clay and actually constructing the softball fields. We will continue to give updates on this project and all of the City of Coppell Parks projects. Be sure to check the City of Coppell website for those updates.